In this video, I'd like to run you through the features of our Gemini product, a digital twin aimed at the architectural engineering and construction industry. On this screen, we can see a typical digital twin. This was derived from architectural CAD and also from engineering CAD, and those elements can be turned on and off. As I turn off the architectural, we can now see just the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And as you can see, we can select each of these elements and turn them on or off, so we can get into detail of the different systems within the building. This digital twin can also be combined with BIM data and with documents. So if I click on this unit, it'll bring up a panel which shows the BIM asset data, both the overview and the more detailed attributes, and also documents that have been associated with this specific object within the scene. So as you can see, we've uploaded some documents here, and additional documents can be uploaded, downloaded, and deleted from this screen. This can be shared with clients and with other engineering and architectural firms through the collaboration feature. We would just enter email addresses here and click enter. Everyone would then be invited via email link to join the scene, and everyone would be able to see the same view of the building, one person controlling the camera and everyone else following along. We also have the ability to hand control to different people during the sharing session. We also have on-screen drawing to assist with collaboration. You can add text, lines, and various shapes that can be applied to the model to enhance the collaboration. Once the construction is finished and handoff has occurred, the digital twin can be used during operation. In this case, we have a decent number of sensor readings inside the building, and we have digital twins with up to 4,500 sensor readings with data points associated with the model. With this typical type of navigation, where we can go from sensor reading to sensor reading back out to the default view of the digital twin. The sensors are also listed in a table where they can be searched. So for example, we could look for all the sensors that have readings over a value of 10, and by clicking on the entry in the table, we're taken directly to that sensor reading. We also have some data visualizations, typically in this case associated with carbon usage and energy usage of the building. So this gives a quick overview of the energy being used by the top 5 systems. If we have carbon equivalent data, we can include that into this panel as well. And with other twins, we have other visualizations such as color coding equipment by energy usage or color coding equipment by the number of alerts being generated per second. We also have a data replay mode. So if you're tracking alerts and tracking functionality, it's possible to go back in time and look at events that happened over the last, say, 24 hours. And finally, we can also slice this model so we can reduce the complexity of what's on the screen by reducing the number of layers. We can combine this with a full dashboard if a building management system energy analytics is being used. So as you can see, it's a flexible way of collaborating during design and construction, and then being used for operation of a smart building after construction is complete. Thank you for watching, and please contact us with any questions.